welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam, guys, from the 24th to the 28th of March 2025 on Monday. Babeyde gains momentum in Smake's case. Kwezikazi's proposal and private life seems to be on the upswing. Pex is reluctantly drawn into his mother's dangerous schemes on Tuesday. Babeyde makes an arrest in connection to Smake's death. Kwezikazi is left with some doubts about her relationship with Peterson on Wednesday. Babeyde discovers that Smake was testing a raft moment before the fateful plunge into the water. Hopane realizes that the Kunutus are not trustworthy. Nkosi crosses a line in a desperate attempt to avoid jail on Thursday. A psychotic patient is admitted to TEF Hospital. Hopane stumbles upon a potential witness crucial to solving Smake's case. Pretty sent a bold message to Dr. Blue while Nkosi battles with his conscience on Friday. Hopane's quest for justice pushes those linked to Smake's tragedy into dangerous territory. Peterson grows increasingly frustrated as Nkosi's trail goes cold, raising doubts about the possibility of justice prevailing. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.